level, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the vehicle and also introduce myself to you. So on this particular trim package, you are going to have those fog lights as well as your breakaway mirrors on the side. Also, you're going to have your remote start, and on the inside, you're going to have your multi-angle backup camera and your Bluetooth. And then in this back seat, you have those magic seats, which is a really cool feature. You pull this handle right here and snap it up into place, and you can fit taller things in the back of your truck. And even more usage of space back here, because once you open up this trunk, it also, actually, let me use this handle, because it has two of them. It has your traditional open, and then also it has hinges on the side so that you can open it horizontally as well. Now, once this is open here, this is that extra space I was talking about before, because the bed of the truck is actually going to open up and give you a good bit more room. And you can also use this as a cooler, pretty neat. It has a drain right there. And tons of other things that I can't always show you in person. So go ahead and give me a call to set up your VIP appointment.